My hair decided to choose violence today because why is
when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you.
my hair decided to choose violence today because why is I have a bald spot right here. I have a lot of hair, so it's not really noticeable, but this is still a lot of hair. Can you see how much growth I have? I changed my camera to cinematic so you can like see what is going on because why? It's not really noticeable, but I think it came up from here. But like, why? I barely have hair here, and then this just comes off. At this point, my hair is begging me to take it out, but I can't because it's not the end of April. I promised to leave this hair in till the end of April, and I'm keeping to that promise. It can pull off all it wants, but I guess this is a little souvenir to remember the time I had this hairstyle, because this is just painful and funny at the same time. On the brighter side, the sun decided to grace us with its presence today, but it's also cloudy, so it's like very typical. But that's what we get, and we take what we get, because oh, sorry, let me just position my camera. Hiya. So I was coming here for my little TED Talk session, but then I got called to help iron for my dad. I'm having a mid-afternoon snack now. Today I've flown by so fast. It's like 2:40, 2:50, and I haven't really done much for the day, which is fine. I mean, it's totally fine. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually read. I'm not going to bluff this time, no talking too much. I'm just going to go straight into reading while snacking. So I've gotten my book now. I'm going to start reading. I don't want to start another book before I finish this one. I just realized that I can't, so instead let's just read what we are already reading. I'll see you later. This beauty. But I promise you that the moment I decide to start filming, it's going to go dark again, but it's nice to have. So I read just like I said I was going to. I've been here for over an hour. I even like fell asleep in the middle of it for like what, just 7 minutes or so. I had like a power nap, but it was really nice to get that out of the way. But I feel hungry right now, so I'm going to go and get something to eat. So see you guys in a bit. So I just got food. I'm using like a Tupperware cover as my tray because I'm too lazy to get one from the kitchen. This one was just right in front of me, and I'm eating minced beef with beans and rice. Yeah, so it's a quick easy meal. So I made rice this morning, and then I had my beef stew sauce. I don't know what to call it, already made, so just chuck them both into the microwave, and now I have a full meal to eat. I'm almost done with my food now. I'll see you guys later. Hi. It's the next day and this is like past 2. I'm about to have breakfast or lunch, first meal of the day. And guess what? I finished this book. I just needed to get into the reading mood and I read till 4 a.m. this morning. When I got into the story, I just couldn't like get my head out. I really wanted to know how it ended, and now I can't wait. I'm too excited for the next part. I'm going to go on Amazon to check if the next part is out now, but for now I'm happy I finished it. So yeah, I'm going to eat now. But yeah, I'm eating noodles and it's kind of pepperish. Hi, it's a couple days later and I promised I was going to take my hair out at the end of the month, but I feel like I'm going to get another casualty like right around here. I can feel like my hair ripping at the front and I really don't want to go bald or bald. Yeah, however the word is pronounced. Yeah, but anyways, I really need to take the braids out because I realized that my beads are weighing down on my hair. It's like pulling down at my scalp, so I've been getting like headaches and it's just time. It's old enough. In reality, it still looks good enough, especially when I like brush it out. I use my mousse and all, but the weight of bead is just like pulling at my scalp and I'm losing my hair, so I don't want any more casualties. I'm going to take the braids out today, so I'm going to start by taking off the beads first because I'm going to save them. So I'm going to like put them into a bag like this. Yeah, I put half up and okay, let's see. First one, you know what, to be safe I'm just going to cut close to the beads. Yeah, this should be fine. Yeah, first one's gone. I'm going to take the bead out and put into the bag, and I have another bag that I'm just going to throw all the casualties into. God help me if I cut my hair though. It won't be bad, honestly. It won't be bad, honestly. It's going to be painful, but it's just hair. It's going to grow back. And the thing about taking braids out is with every braid you cut, you just get bolder. See, I have like this one that's like really long, so oh, it feels lighter already. Last one. So I'm going to take my braids down and watch a movie on my phone while I do that because I'm currently filming on my phone. So yeah, just going to watch a movie and see how it goes. recorded a whole video of me talking to my camera. I was talking for like 6 minutes straight, and I wanted to check like how the angle is and everything, and I realized I was filming everything in slow-mo. As you can see, I have like relaxer on my head. I'm going to leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes because I really want my hair to be relaxed. So yeah.